you doing, Brooke? Eating vegetables? Are they good? Yeah? Now where are you going? You going to wash the dishes in the sink? More vegetables? Better take some for the road. Whoops. That one's gone. Gotta get another. Nope, it's gone. It's gone. You're not gonna find it in there. Gotta get more. Whoops. Go. Whoopsie. Ew, yuck yucky.